Hello, and welcome to Math Schedules Training. I'm Minerva, and I'll be showing you how to show the Developer tab on the ribbon in Microsoft Project. The Developer tab is important if you are working with macros and VBA. You only need to do it once, and it should show every time you open Microsoft Project. Let's get started. As you can see in this file, at the top on our ribbon, we do not have the Developer tab, so we need to put it in. One way to do it, you can go up to the top and there's a little triangle in here and you can click on it and then go all the way to more commands and it should have open the project options, and we're in the quick access toolbar. We want to go to customize ribbon, and from there we can go to the right column where it says customize the ribbon, the main tabs, and we go all the way down to where we find the developer. Click on that to make sure that it's added into your ribbon. Once you have it clicked, you can actually move it around to see where you want it in your ribbon. You could go anywhere you want. I'll leave it right there and then I click OK. Now you can see that it's right here, right next to view. If I click on it, I'll have all the options I need for my developer tab. So there you have it. That's how we do the developer tab into Microsoft Project. So now that you know how to show the developer tab in Microsoft Project so you can easily develop macros or VBA solutions, if you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel, Math Schedules. If you want to find more tutorials on Microsoft Project, please visit my website at mathschedules.com. Thanks.